Yo, what's up everybody? Unemployed Mike. Today we're gonna replace the trailer brakes on my single rail trailer for my motorcycle. They don't turn on, they've been broken, so I bought another set and we're gonna replace them right now. Pieces here, just a new piece. Put a little bit of thread locker on these things. So we got all them put together. Same thing on the other side. Let's go test it out. So there it is. We're all done. New lights installed. So now we can actually drive at nighttime with the lights on. Not worried about getting pulled over. Thanks. Unemployed Mike out.